So guys, your girl is sick. We picked up a bug somewhere between Florida and North Carolina with the different weather changes. But what I like to do when I'm sick, I like to make me a tonic for my cough. And what I like to put in there is some white onion, some garlic, red onion, lemon, orange, and we're gonna chop all that up in a mason jar. Oh, we got some fresh ginger as well as some dried elderberries. We're gonna chop all that up and put it in a mason jar. We're gonna cover it with some honey and then a little bit of distilled water. We're gonna shake that up and let that sit. It's gonna end up looking something like this. You're gonna strain it and you're gonna take 2 tablespoons 3 or 4 times a day, and that's gonna help with cough. Thank me later.